Here's a 2015 BMW 5 Series. Thrilling performance, relaxing luxury, it's everything in perfect harmony. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, power telescoping steering column, auto dimming rearview mirror, auto dimming mirrors, dual zone climate control, turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. New Car Test Drive explain the modular BMW interior, much of which finds its way into models from the top of the line to the bottom, is handsome and contemporary. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. You need to drive it to believe it. See it for yourself today.
We put the customer first at Nissan 24 and will work hard to help you find the perfect vehicle. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1016 Belmont Street in Brockton.